It is very, very important that we actually keep track of what is going on at any given time with our objects and not to necessarily trust our eyes. Here we have what appears to be a sphere with maybe another blue sphere sticking out of it. Maybe a target or something like that. However, what happens when I grab this thing and start to rotate it? Oh my gosh, it really is not what I thought it was at all. And it's going to happen to you as you're building things. If all you're doing is working in the perspective mode, you're going to think you have something lined up and looking great, only to find out later that it's not at all what you thought you had. And so it's very important that we, from time to time, pay attention to our four windows. Looking at things in 2 dimensions. If you ever had to do mechanical drawing in high school, you may recognize this. Right now, as I'm looking, I am looking, here is my z-axis and my x-axis, so I'm looking from the top down. If I'm trying to line things up, then and we can see over here it's moving. So I've got that lined up, but when I look, some of the rest of it's not lined up. So here I'm looking at it straight on, front view. So let's kind of line that up a little bit more. Now you can see things starting to line up. And now we have that. And so now things are lined up. And again, I can change that angle, and I end up with, truthfully, what I thought I had and what I needed, not just what appeared in that window. So make sure that you jump over here, pay attention to all 4 views, otherwise you're going to end up with ears floating and arms floating and pieces not connected in your final modeling piece.